These are just, get these out of here. Those are taken care of. What the hell was that? Ooh, we're starting to get to the smelly part. Oh my God, stop it. Oh, it's burning my nose. Okay, we're back. Woo. Okie dokie. Currently, we're in search of the... Oh, we already opened the tailgate. We're in search of the headlight for the Lowrider motorcycle. There's a lot of interesting stuff in this truck bed, and I don't know much about it. We might pull a little engine out that's in there, but who knows. Sure. Something might be in here, but something living might also be in here. Oh, the engine fell over. I'm sure that's good for it. Play around in the dirt a bit. Yeah, you come here. You two are friends now. Nice. Possibly the van stuff. Oh, look, a light bulb. Ooh, those are like mummified hornets. I'll get that with this. Probably still full of protein. You can possibly eat them. Ooh, nasty. Nice. We took out a bunch of shit and it still looks full. Except it's full with the tailgate down. Battery died. I thought the recording just overlapped. Pretty much everything that's solid and decently sized, I think we plan on bringing into the garage and probably putting up in the attic. Everything else is probably gonna have to go back in just because there's so much, and it'll be a project for a different time. No headlight yet. Hoping to stumble upon it somehow. Found more dead mice than really anything useful so far, I think. Probably got asbestos and dead mice in my system now. Alright, I got two of these somewhat sturdy boxes that we saved, as well as the wheelbarrow with the new wheel. I think I'm going to fill this with the things that are already ready. Let's see if he agrees. Well, I'm thinking first I'll do a trip with all the stuff that's kind of ready. Alright. Now it's a matter of what should stay and what should go. Fun game to play on this property. More often than not, nothing goes. But in this instance, it's is it going inside or staying here? I think I'm gonna keep most big car parts out here for show. But other things like this, looks like bike stuff, and it's also already in like a convenient lunchbox. Yeah, this could be used for something. Yeah. Oh, Transformer. Never cared for those movies. Just kidding. I don't care for any movies equally. So, I don't want to hear nothing about that. These are just... Get these out of here! Those are taken care of. Might be for the Jeep, apparently. This is garbage. I'll sort through it later. Also, I just got promised hot wings. I was gonna say chicken wings, but he said hot wings specifically. But it ought to be fun. I'm hungry. I do kind of want to bring that box in, but there's the same with that. There's just dead animals. So we have a family member that's scrapping a bunch of stuff right now. So my dad's kind of finally taking advantage, and if it doesn't work and it's not worth anything, then we're just giving it to him. Because it's a win-win. We get rid of junk, we clear up room, and he gets money. Okay, we're back. Woo! Sorry if you heard me, I got a song stuck in my head. It might be called Fake ID, and I know Young Gravy's in it, but I don't think he's the one that made it. It might be Baby No Money. I don't know. Might not be. That's the funny part. Okay. I'll start throwing things. I'm gonna move stuff back. Yeah. Just like that. Oh yeah. That looks good. Oh yeah. Perfect. Okay, that should be good enough to attempt. Looks like I got everything. Not a problem. Okay, I'll throw that in there so I remember, because I moved its previous location. I think this is for a car, so I can stay with the car stuff. Oh, that engine. Oh, that engine. Oh. Definitely room for it there, but I did kind of just close this. I figured everything else I could just throw back in. Oh well. Blah, 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 blah. This could be scrap. I'll test it. I'll test the waters. See what I can do with it. Yeah. Oh yeah, just like that. I'll do the engine first since that's going to be a pain. And I'll put everything around it. Okay. That should work. Yep, use the legs. I've been using my back too much. Oh yeah. Hope nobody makes fun of me. Woo! Now it's kind of just redo what I undid in the first place. least not in any vehicles I've owned or worked on, was there. What the hell was that? Let me explain, okay? Something wet touched me right here. And I kind of panicked because I didn't know what is wet that could be touching me right here. Still don't know. But I'm still alive, so let's forget about it and move on. We'll work through it. Trust me. Ooh, yeah. Looking good, looking good. What now? Okay, it is recording. See, that's what it did last time. It like overlapped, and I was like, oh yeah, but then it said that the battery was low, and I missed it. Okay, I'll start moving stuff into this box in particular. I'll leave you guys right there, since you should have a decent view. I hate these bugs, I tell you what. I'm a little wussy. You guys are all making fun of me, and I can tell. Whatever. Screw yourselves. I'm happy. Am I? Whatever. Yeah, the mice chewed up that wire right there. This looks like sandpaper. That could totally be used again, let me tell you. And here's a horn that mice lived a good decade or two in. Yeah, more trash. Ooh, we're starting to get to the smelly part. Oh my god, stop it. Oh, it's burning my nose. Oh, I'm sure this bulb is good. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, more stuff. More loose bolts and shit. Oh my god. Why is this burning so much more? It's like, before it's just a bad smell, but now it's fucking... Oh, it's rancid. Oh. Dude, whatever, just put it all in. Hurry up, man. Okay, this box is temporarily on timeout. I guess I'll bring you with me and we'll move over to the motorcycle box that is in the exact same predicament. Oh man, get me out of here. I don't like doing this anymore. Digging through mouse shit. What the hell? Okay, this box is good enough to go in the wheelbarrow. Okay, special box there. Hold up all the trash box. That can go right there because that might go back in the truck. That one's pretty much done. This one can go here. The bike stuff, but it's more than bike stuff, if you know what I'm saying. Dun. Yep, sure. This one looks like trash. Oh, and a dead mouse. I don't know what I was about to show you. You don't need to see that. Everything is picked up. I have 2 boxes that are quite infested and not worth going through in this moment in time. The wheelbarrow's full. I'll end it here. Maybe this might be it for today, and I'm gonna get some hot wings. Ooh, doggy. Promise me some hot wings, and we gonna have a good day. Tell you what, okay, bye-bye.